due to the pandemic. Our lives, our world, and all that we are were affected.
But that didn't stop us. We found our way and kept going. We realized that there are no mountains insurmountable that we cannot climb.
And so, as people, our faith, our strength, our dedication, our courage, our patience, and resilience have kept us strong and going.
Our passion to survive and to live pushes us to work hard, and fueling our engines to keep us running strong. We discover things about ourselves. We could be champions, and yes indeed, we are champions.
Close your eyes, take a deep breath, smile, and tell yourself, I can do this. I'm not alone. I'm strong.
For fighting every day to heal our wounds and moving forward. And so the silent tears we cry will not go unheard. A famous quote by Marianne Williamson says,
Our deepest fear is not we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us.
Don't be afraid to dream again. Don't be afraid to fly again. Don't be afraid to smile again. Because everything is going to be all right.
This is our world, these are our lives, this is our future, and we are champions, my friends.